See how we are defining this. Int pointer x pointer y. You can write in another way also. I will show you later on. First, let me execute the first way. General. Now, I want to do some modifications for that. Nothing is there inside A and B. I should assign A and B. See how to assign, because we are dealing with pointers. Pointer A is equal to 4, and then pointer B is equal to 5. Then same statement, copy paste, but with little differences. This is to this, but let me write star. I mean, xy. We are dealing with xy now. Sorry. Let us go with x and let us go with y. Just names are changed, but data will not change.
Yes.
It will be there. Here also pointer x, and the other one is pointer y. That's it. Now, check the program first. Before that, let me save it. C dot C is there already. Some other application. You see one dot DC. You see one dot DC. Yeah, done. Now let me execute this. Because getch is not given now, so we are unable to see. Yes, let me clarify that also. Let me execute, then I will
Dot
discuss.
.dc
Where?
file name uc1.dc.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, let me redefine that. UC1.c. Okay, UC1.c. Right, this is right. Upward communication. Let me yeah, it is working fine. A equals 4, B equals 5, A equals 4, B equals 5. Of course, here a slash n is not given. Okay, I will make it clear. Okay, now you can see. Now you can see the output. Again, not here. What happened? First it is executed, then that is executed. Why slash n is not working? Let me check again. Yeah, now it worked. Worked or not?
Yes.
A equals 4, B equals 5. Same data. Same data are you getting or not? Same data are you
Yes.
able to get? Yes. So how this is executed? Let us start from main method. So this is your main method. And the style of declaration is changed a little bit here. You can see. Because we are dealing with pointers and memory locations,
Yes.
addresses. So here you can see let us start from main function. Two variables are declared, A and B. And then you are making a call, During call, what you are doing here, you are sending addresses or not?
Yes.
During call, we are sending addresses, empty addresses, that too empty addresses. Okay, in the form of,
Yes.
you know, address of A, comma, address of
B.
B, address of B. These are empty addresses. See, if somebody has to give money to us, okay. So if
Yes.
you don't know his address, can you get? No, it is not possible. We don't know his mobile number, we don't know his address, but we have given on the road.
Yes.
Somebody met and he asked, and we have given. Can you get it back? No, we cannot get it
No.
back. So here means you should know address. In the previous program, we don't know the address, is it not? Just
Yes.
duplicate is sent, duplicate mobile number he has given, or duplicate address he has given. So is it possible to get our money back? It is not
No.
possible in the previous case, but
No.
unlike the previous program, here we have taken some precaution. What is that? We know the addresses. We are sending the addresses downward. What is sent? See here, during call,
Address.
we are sending empty addresses. Address is there. In that empty
So that
address, we can put some data and send it back.
yes,
Is it not?
it's
So see.
it will again come back in that original position.
Yeah. See, when you are able to send addresses here, you are able to put some data in that and get it back. The thing is something
Yes,
like I can tell you, like, see, why we are using pointers? Another question. We are sending addresses, okay, fine. Why the syntax change a little bit? You know, address operator, I told earlier also. It is
yes,
also a
sir.
unary operator. Address operator is a unary operator.
Unary.
Now, why you are using address operator? As you know, I told earlier, because original is sent down. Address means always original. Believe that whenever you are passing address, it means original data. Original, of course, your data is not sent, but memory location is sent. Direct pointer. We are dealing with pointer. See, in the previous program, I have not sent any address. Any address symbol is there in the previous program,
No,
DC? There is no address symbol. Means you are normally sending values. Variables only I sent. Is it not? Here I have written AB
yes,
in the
sir.
previous program. AB clearly. So AB means variables, and of course they are holding some values. Isn't it? So whenever you are sending
While
variables,
while that function gets executed,
ah,
it will create duplicate
that is okay. That is
memory
all okay.
space.
See here. You are sending values in the previous program. Yes or no? I mean, variables only you pass it here. Yes or no? Have you passed
Yes,
variables or not? Then what is there in function definition at that time? Tell me. Answer this question. Inside
and
parameters, what is given in the previous program? Variables only, na?
X and Y.
X and Y.
Yes, sir.
There are no
Variables.
pointers. There are no pointers. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Here X and Y are present. Here A and B are present in the previous program. Maybe. Is it not?
Yes.
A, B, X, Y. All are similar or not? Tell me. All are similar. Similar type of word.
Similar.
There
Yes.
are no pointers. Their variables, here also variables. No difference. Means what? See, for example, a small story I will tell. You can understand easily. If somebody is throwing a soft ball towards other side, you know
Yes.
cricket. You know cricket.
Yes.
Yeah, somebody is throwing soft ball. Automatically other side, normal pair of hands are enough or not to catch that small rubber
Enough.
ball or tennis ball is there. Normal pair of hands are enough to catch that, because normal ball, it is after all soft ball. Soft pair of hands are enough to catch that. But in the other game, the real game, somebody is throwing a hard ball like a cricket ball. Normal hands will get hurt or not if he is a wicket keeper.
Yes, sir.
Some protection is required or not for him.
Gloves.
Gloves are required means what? Extra protection is required. Why? Somebody is not throwing softball like previous case. He's throwing
Yes.
hard ball. Means some extra protection is required. Here also, you are throwing what? Normal variables or addresses?
Address.
Means extra protection is required. That is pointers. And more than that, pointers. What is a pointer? For example, if I do like this, int x is equal to 5, comma, I will go with a pointer here, pointer ptr. Now ptr is equal to address of x. What is the meaning of this statement? Hmm? So x is a value, isn't it?
Yes.
X is a container. Variable means container like container. You can believe that it is a container or a box. Okay. So in that
Okay.
container, what is the value kept? Tell me.
Five. Five.
5. That container will be having some address or not?
Yes.
Container will be having address. What is the address? Some address it will be having, and it is pointed by what? PTR. PTR is the pointer which is pointing to the address of X.
Address of.
The address may be something like this, It depends upon your system again. It may be something like
Yes.
this. Address may be. So what is that variable? Variable is nothing but a container. It is a container. It holds some value. Okay. If the
Yes.
container is empty, of course, here the container is empty. Whichever you are sending, it is empty. Some addresses you are sending, their addresses are there, na address of X that you are going to send down. So if you are able to put something in that address, how to put something in that address? See, this pointer X is going to catch that address. Address of A it will catch, and pointer Y will catch address of B. Okay, see the syntax.
Yes.
What does see here? PTR is pointer or not? Yes or
Pointer.
no? So PTR
Yes.
is pointer, no? In the second statement, what I have written, PTR is going to catch. So X is a pointer
Address
or
of.
not? X should catch
Yes.
address of A, and Y should catch address of B. You should be very
Address of B.
strong in this area. If you are going to take CSC, Computer Science Engineering, you should be very strong in pointers and data structures. Simply to say, normal C, nothing is there. Everybody will do. Normal C, nothing is there in normal C. There is no flavor in C. But real flavor in C lies in data structures and pointers. Okay, it's a very
Oh,
difficult topic. In your engineering also it will come. C with the data structures, C++ with the data structures. These two are very difficult. But Java, in Java, data structures are very easy. Predefined methods are there, very
okay.
easy. In Python also it is very easy. But in C and C++ it is very difficult because pointers concept is there. That is the main advantage and also disadvantage. Advantage in the sense, for designing I told earlier now, for designing operating systems
Yes,
you
sir.
require pointers or not. That is the main
Require.
advantage. But what is the disadvantage? Memory can be, I mean, hacking is possible, virus can be injected using pointers because you are playing with memory locations. I told earlier, brain surgery is
Yes,
always
sir.
danger, is it not? It may go in either way.
Sir, so Python
Hmm.
and Java don't have pointers.
Actually, pointers are there, but they are implicitly present. I told now one more example, wearing a helmet. What is the difference?
Yes.
Without helmet, with helmet, going on two-wheeler. Difference is there or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Protection.
I mean, C language means there is no protection, no helmet, but some
Yes.
freedom is there. Like you can use for operating system, you can enjoy that freedom. But what is the danger in that? I told. Without wearing helmet
Yes.
means that. But in Java, Java is safe. Python is also
Okay,
safe,
sir.
but Java is even more safer because some protection is there. Means you cannot touch those pointers. Implicitly they are present. But here I am giving explicitly now. See, I am using this symbol I am using or not.
Yes.
Huh? But in Java you never use those symbols. They are implicitly present. Implicitly means what? Internally they are present. You cannot touch them. You can only refer them. Got it? That's why I'm comparing with the helmet and all these things. You can understand easily, isn't it? Understood the point?
Yes, sir.
That is
Understood,
the
sir.
main advantage. So here one more important point we have to remember. Okay, fine. I will write one comment here also. What is that? Pointer X and later on I will send. You collected that notes which I sent in the past for downward communication. Have you received that?
Notes, sir.
Notes, yeah, I sent no, not notes. That program that consists of comments and all these things. You
Program.
can
Yes, sir.
understand. Yeah, notes possibly I
Uh,
will write on tomorrow. Whatever
okay.
this while loop, for loop, don't bother. Only notes I will write. Programs already I sent na.
Yes, sir.
Programs I sent, and talking about notes, I will prepare tomorrow. Tomorrow I am not taking any classes for any batch from here onwards.
Okay.
And every Saturday I will go with half an hour more. Okay.
Yes.
So I will send you notes also. But in comments here also I am writing little part. You received that program? Download communication.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, fine. So pointer X and pointer Y are what? Are pointers.
Pointers
Yeah,
to
are pointers
a
that receive empty
addresses
addresses.
of
Empty addresses. Empty addresses. What are they? What are those empty addresses, you know? What
A
are those
and
empty addresses? Just a second.
address of A.
Empty addresses. What are the address of A, comma, address of B, address of A, comma, address of B. You are receiving these two. So pointers are required here. Okay, fine. Now this is called as, I'm talking about this statement. What is there? What is that pointer X called as? Here it is called as a dereference operator. Pointer is a dereference operator. Dereference. Using a dereference operator, you can put some data into that variable, into that
Yes.
address, into that address. I mean to say, pointer is a dereference operator through which, or you can use one more word, value, value at address. Also, you can write value at address. Otherwise, value at address operator. Another name is value address. Some books write like this: address operator. It is, or simply we say pointer or pointer. Otherwise, simply we can call it as pointer. So using that dereference operator, what we are doing is, wait. So is a pointer is a dereference operator. Using that, you are able to put some value in the address. So is a dereference operator, and using that, we can put some data. Data means value here. Some data inside the addresses,
Right.
whichever addresses being sent, address of address of
Yes.
A and address of B are captured, and in those addresses you are putting some data. In a similar way, I have done for Y also. Means you are putting some data in the address of B. Okay. So,
Yes.
and then I am displaying. While displaying also, dereference operator is required. You are inside this modification code now. So it will be pointer X and pointer Y. If you display, what is the output which you got? Tell me. 4
4
and 5 you got or not? You got
Yes.
4 and 5? Yes. Just a second. One call is coming. Just 1 second. Hello. Hello. Yes. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. Ah, yeah, I can understand. Sahil Kochlekar, your name? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am not going to school. 2 months I was given rest because the less number of computer science students are there. And no, no, I'm not joining. I had some other work. Yeah. Why? 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 Time to issue the same. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Your Python started, classes started. Your Python classes started or not? When it is started? Huh? When? 1 week back? Okay. 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 Thank you. Okay, fine. So here, what is happening? Void upward communication. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. So here you are, then you are putting those values and you are displaying that. You are displaying whatever is there inside X and whatever is there inside Y. You are displaying that. Okay.
Yes.
And then what happened? And then again control transfers to
Printf.
this point. And again control transfers
Yes.
to this point. And here A is equal to address of D, B is equal to address of D. Again, you
Address
are
of.
printing A and B. Inside A and B, what is there? You send some data, na? You send some data up.
Yes.
That is going to be again reflecting this place.
4 and
So
5.
data is sent upward, na? In this case,
Yes.
data is sent clearly upward in this case.
Upward.
That is why it is called as upward communication. There is no data coming from top to bottom, isn't it? There
Yes.
is no data coming from top to bottom.
Top
Only,
to bottom.
yeah, only data is
We are
coming from
sending up.
bottom to up. That is why it
Yes.
is called as upward communication. Understood this point?
Understood.
Shall I go with the bidirectional this time?
Yes, sir.
Bidirectional. Wait just a minute.